Hello everyone, thank you for checking out my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and today I have a video for you all about the Scarpa Mojitos. These are really cool, versatile shoes from Scarpa, very popular as well. So I'm going to get into these, I'm going to tell you all about them, we'll look at their features, their fit, the whole bit, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll have a really good idea of what these shoes are all about, what they're capable of, and how you can use them. Alright, so if you're new here to the channel, please stick around to the end of my video. I'll tell you all about this channel, what you can find here, how you can find things, and hopefully this channel can become a good resource for you for finding out information not only on Scarpa products, but on all different types of outdoor apparel. So please stick around for all that. I'll tell you about it at the end of the video. Let's get into these shoes. So Scarpa is an amazing company. If you're not familiar with them, they are a really high quality company that makes great climbing shoes, hiking boots, mountaineering boots, and then they have a whole line of just casual shoes like this that can be worn for hiking, your approach, around town, right? That's what these are. This is an amazing shoe that's just really versatile. A couple years back, I bought a pair of shoes from Scarpa called the Spirit EVOs, and I have them here. I've had these now for over 2.5 years. I've worn them a lot. Around town, just everyday use, mostly in the fall, winter, and spring, in cooler, colder weather. It's amazing. I really find that these have kept my feet warm in cold winter conditions when I'm just going shopping, whatever, just going for a walk down the street. They're very comfortable. They've been amazing. And I wanted to get another pair of these simply because I like these so much. I wear them all the time. However, I don't believe they make them anymore. So when I was on their website, I said, well, what else do they have? And I found these mojitos. And I said, you know what? I'm going to give them a shot. They are definitely a really versatile shoe. So they are designed to be worn not only for some light hiking, your approach, but also just a general around town casual shoe. They look really nice. They're extremely comfortable. They're durable. They're Scarpa products. They're built like a tank. Okay, they're gonna last you a long time. Really, really great. So this is one of the most popular models of shoes that they have produced. They've been around for a long time. They are available in a couple different colors. I think in Europe they're actually available in more colors than they are here in the US. But really, really nice. So right off the bat, some of the key features with these is particularly you can see the lacing. The lacing is quite extensive. It goes really down, all the way down right to the toe box. And the idea of that is to be able to really customize the fit, how it wraps around your foot better, having more lacing down it. So it can kind of really conform to the shape and size of your foot nicely. Now this pair of mojitos is kind of what I call just the basic standard pair. They also have what's called the mojito wrap. And the mojito wrap is basically the same idea, but it has a rubber rand that circles the entire shoe, keeping it maybe, perhaps a little more waterproof, a little more durable here around the bottom portion of the upper, a little more protective. So perhaps if you're doing, more hiking or more of an approach shoe, that might be a little more suitable than these. However, I gotta tell you, these have a really nice protective rubber piece here over the front toe box, and there's plenty of rubber protection here around the side of the shoe, on the back of the heel. Definitely very well made. You can see all the stitching here on this shoe. You know, everything is really, really put together well. Now, my Spirit EVOs here have held up incredibly well. These have really lasted me nice. I do have a little bit of wear here on the bottom treads, but I wore them a lot. But as far as the stitching and everything else goes on it, they're perfect. They're really, really nice. So these here have a very cool tread on the bottom too. It's actually a Vibram sole, but it's just a very capable, dynamic sole here on the bottom. That's it's designed to be versatile. So comfort around town. It's going to give you grip here on rocks on the front. It's going to give you nice grip here with nice sized lugs around the back of the heel and on the sides here. And just very well cushioned, very comfortable shoe. It has nice soft padding on the inside. It's not really insulated, but it is a nice soft padding around the shoe. It has a very nice soft insole here on the bottom. Perhaps I've read some people giving reviews that prefer like a custom orthotic insole inside them if you're going to be doing a lot of walking. I tell you, these have been extremely comfortable for me. I just got these recently, so I've worn them a few times, but I haven't worn them, broken them in, so to speak, in any like extensive use. But I will tell you, they are very comfortable. They are flexible. I find this sole to be perfectly comfortable inside here. There's nice support for me. Yeah. Now, I have a few other pairs of Scarpa boots. I own the Mescalito TRX GTX boots. I own the Rebel Tech 2.0s. I've had an older pair of the Zodiac Plus GTX boots and the Spirit EVOs. Now, my Zodiac Plus GTX, I wore a size 46.5. I sized up a little bit on them as per some reviews that I read, and they were exactly right. The 46.5, half size up bigger than what I typically wear, was absolutely perfect for me in those. My Rebel Tech 2.0s, my Mescalitos are a size 46. They fit me beautifully. The Spirit EVOs I got in a size 46, and they fit me well. They are a little tight. In the winter, if I'm wearing heavier, merino wool sock, something a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier, they're a little bit tight on me in, the length. Like I could have used a 46.5, but for a thinner sock, they fit me fine. And I don't have any issues. I just noticed that they're a little bit tighter when I wear a heavyweight sock in them. These I sized up to a 46.5. I did read a review about them, that perhaps you might want to size up on them a little bit. The real reason why I got the 46.5 is because the size 46 was not available when I purchased them. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to try the 46.5. Well, I got to tell you, they're perfect for me. These are perfect. So no matter what sock I'm wearing, these fit me great. So a heavier, I tried my heavier merino wool socks on with these, absolutely perfect. And then my thinner, lighter weight socks, I have no problems at all. So yes, I sized up a half step on these, and they are absolutely fit me perfectly. I really like their fit. So the upper here on these is a really nice high quality like suede leather. It's really durable. They're actually pretty waterproof. Well, I shouldn't say waterproof. It's not like they have a Gore-Tex lining in them, but They are very water resistant, let's say that, okay? They repel water very well, like in rain and stuff. The same with my Spirit EVOs. My feet never really got wet, and I've walked through puddles and, you know, in the rain and stuff with these all the time, and I've had no issues. In light snow, they've been great. So I'm really expecting that these are gonna be just the same. They have that really nice suede leather upper here. So with all the lacing up these, they're really nice and comfortable. Your foot just slides into them, and they just are a really versatile shoe. So for me, myself, I'm probably going to wear these mostly for casual everyday use, right? Going shopping, going out to dinner. They look really nice around town. If I'm going for a walk around the park, down the street, you know, whatever. I would just say that I'm not a climber, so when it comes to an approach shoe or something like that, for me, I won't be using them for that. But they are absolutely capable of doing that. And, you know, for hiking and stuff like that as well, I probably are not going to be wearing these for hiking very much. Although I may try using these for hiking in warmer weather, right? So if I'm not wearing, you know, a heavier pair of boots when it's hot out, you know, perhaps this might be a good choice. So maybe I'll give that a shot. You know, I'm not going to wear them so much for hiking. Well, simply because I have other boots for that. But I may give these a shot, and just for a light casual hike, see, you know, how good these are. But I'm sure they're going to be really nice. I really am a big fan of Scarpa products. These things are built like tanks. They are a little more expensive. You know, these shoes are, I believe they were almost $200, right? Somewhere up in that range. So yeah, they are a little more costly than something else you can probably buy at the mall for $79, $89. And they're boots as well. Some of the boots are $400, $500, $600. But I gotta tell you, they are built like a tank. They are incredible. They're gonna last you a long time. I typically have bought several pairs of boots in the past, and I mean, I have worn through them pretty quickly. Boots that perhaps cost, you know, $100, $129, $139, something like that. Man, they start coming apart, you know, with a lot of use. When they get wet, things just start to come to pieces. And when I first bought a pair of Scarpa Zodiac Plus GTX boots, you know, they lasted me for like 3 years. And the boots themselves were still in really good condition, but the soles were getting pretty worn out. And I was at the point where I can send them back and get them resold. But I wanted to try another pair because I liked them so much that I wanted to try something different. So then I bought the Mescalitos, and I gotta tell you, I mean, these boots are incredible. So while you're spending a lot of money on them, you're getting a high quality product that's gonna last you a long time. So they're definitely worth it. The value is there. The Scarpa stuff is really great. All right, so yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope this video helped you out, gave you a good idea. I showed you some close-up pictures here of all their features and everything. Very nice shoes, definitely very cool. And I'm looking forward to giving these a lot of use. Maybe in another year or so, after I've been wearing these, I'll do another video kind of just giving you a follow-up on how they're doing, you know, a year and a half down the road, after extended use. As I have with my Scarpa EVOs, I've done a couple videos on these to show you how they've worn in and how they've held up. And I've done that with a bunch of my other boots as well. So all those videos are here on my channel. And yeah, I hope they'll help you out. So thank you very much for watching the video today. If you like the video, if you appreciate the information I've given you here today about these shoes, please hit the little thumbs up, the like button there. Subscribe to this channel if you're into, Scarpa stuff. I have a bunch of videos on different Scarpa products, as I mentioned. And we do a ton of videos on all different types of outdoor apparel. So everything from jackets, base layers, pants, right, boots. We get into some backpacks, some sunglasses, Yeti products, and even Epic water filters, which is a company that produces these filters that go in your water bottles. So when you're out on all your adventures, you're hiking, camping, fishing, trail running, mountain biking, whatever you're doing, and you're bringing water with you, well, having these filters really helps to ensure that that water you're drinking, no matter where you are, is going to be healthy and safe for you. So really cool products. I do have links in this video's description, as well as a discount code here for you as well. So very cool stuff. But we do a ton of videos, as I mentioned, on all those different types of apparel for outdoor activities like hiking, trekking, climbing, skiing, snowboarding, camping, fishing, sailing, mountain biking, trail running, all that kind of fun stuff. And it ties into a website that I have called Me and My Jackets, where we look at all those activities and what to wear to help keep you warm, dry, and comfortable while you're out there. And then we get into all major companies and what they have to offer. So a whole bunch of information here between the YouTube channel and my website. And all my videos are broken up into different categories here on my YouTube channel in the playlist section. So if you're looking for more videos on Scarpa boots, just go up to the playlists here on the YouTube channel and pull up my Scarpa playlist, and you'll get all those Scarpa videos. Same thing for Arc'teryx, Patagonia, Rab, Helly Hansen, Maui Jim, Serengeti, Yeti, Osprey, everything. Okay, they all have their separate playlists, as well as product categories. So if you want fleece jackets, hard shells, down insulated jackets, boots, sunglasses, everything is broken down like that as well. So you don't have to scroll through, over 500 videos to find something you're interested in. You can specifically, look for things and narrow it down. All right. So thank you very much for your time today. I hope you did enjoy the video. Please, subscribe to the channel, spend some time, take a look around. Hopefully come back and check some other videos out. I appreciate all your support. So thank you very much again for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you back again soon. Take care. Bye.